Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and install of the AKARIN puddle lights made for the 5th gen 4Runner. So come on, let's begin. Sa Forge Garage, pinabago ang gabi. Alright, so again, these are from AKARIN. If you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. It will be an Amazon affiliate link. So let's check it out. It shows you the feature of the puddle lights, okay, and what's inside the box. So let's open this and check them out. We have a user manual. Should be a straightforward install. We don't really need the user manual. And then it has a screwdriver. Probably this one is to remove the old one. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I will use a plastic pry tool. I don't like using like metal tip removing the panels or the lights in the vehicle. So yeah, so here we got two puddle lights. So one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. And it has this adapter in here. I think these are used for other models, okay, because I can see here this is like the factory one, the stock one that we plugged in our OEM lights. So here it says 12 volts 5 watts, and that is nice. It has a branded AKARIN in here. Again, this should be a very straightforward install. This basically will turn off after 90 seconds, so a minute and a half, and they will turn off. So we'll see what are the design that we have in here, and I'll show you how to remove the factory light. All right, be right back. All right, so now we just need to find our factory puddle lights, and then we will remove them. So we're gonna start on this side, put it in and pull, and then we can unplug it. Simple as that, and it's out. All we need to do is put in the new one, and we're gonna test it. All right, so now let's plug this in. There you go. I can see the light now. I can see the image that it's projecting. It's a 4Runner with some blue mountains on it. I'll show you. Let me turn off the lights here in the garage. Be right back. Alright, so I just finished installing the one here in the passenger side. I turned off all of the lights here in the garage just to minimize the light that we have here, to better show you how they look like. So let me show you now. There it is. So again, we still have light coming in to the garage. Still kind of bright in here, but this puddle lights, they look nice. You can still see the blue mountains in there and the white 4Runner. So that is nice. I like them. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. It's gonna be an Amazon affiliate link. These are the one from AKARIN. They are one of the reasonably priced puddle lights out there for the 4Runner. Again, this looks nice. The quality of the assembly itself, it's nice. Again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Stay tuned for my posts here in YouTube and on my IG. I will post a picture of this one when it's nighttime or when it's dark. Alright, so again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.